Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5, and is priced below $40,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, 4-wheel drive, sliding rear window, heated mirrors, bed liner, aluminum wheels, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, 4-wheel disc brakes. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.